One creates stunning cinematic art. The other follows every instruction. Which AI titan wins in 2024? In terms of features, Midjourney offers cinematic photorealism, deep parameter control, and advanced professional upscaling tools, while DALL features natural language conversation, perfect text rendering, and seamless ChatGPT integration. The winner is neither. It is a tie. In terms of functionality, Midjourney requires technical syntax, shorthand commands, and specific parameter knowledge. While DALL features uses natural conversation, ChatGPT translates simple ideas into complex imagery. The winning is DALL. In terms of quality, Midjourney offers unmatched aesthetic textures, lighting, and professional-grade artistic stylization. While DALL features sharp and clear but can feel overly digital or plasticky, the winner is Midjourney. In terms of pricing, Midjourney offers paid tiers only, starting at $10 per month, no permanent free option, while DALL features free via Microsoft Copilot or $20 per month bundled with GPT-4. The winner is DALL. In terms of UX, Midjourney offers steep learning curve within Discord, community-centric but often cluttered, while DALL features lowest possible learning curve, intuitive chat-based interface for everyone. The winner is DALL. In terms of functionality, Midjourney offers isolated ecosystem, mostly within Discord, limited native productivity integrations, while DALL features deeply integrated into Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, and the OpenAI API. The winner is DALL. Choose Midjourney for professional-grade artistic control, or DALL 3 for unmatched speed and ease of use. Be sure to try 200+ free online SEO tools by visiting hsupertools.quest. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.